The Economic Freedom Fighters and Umkhonto we Party condemned secrecy of a Phala report and threatened legal action. The Economic Freedom Fighters and the Umkhonto we Party have strongly condemned Police Minister Senzo Mchungu's decision to classify the final report on the controversial Phala burglary as top secret. The report, compiled by the Independent Police Investigative Directorate (IPID), details findings from an investigation into the 2020 theft of large sums of cash from President Cyril Ramaphosa's game farm. In a recent parliamentary response to African Transformation Movement leader Vuyisungula, Mchunu confirmed that the investigation was completed in October 2023, but insisted that the report will not be made public. The EFF spokesperson Sinao Tambo accused the government of orchestrating a cover-up to shield Ramaphosa from accountability, and said it is now clear that every level of governance and law enforcement has been manipulated to ensure no action is taken against Ramaphosa, despite overwhelming evidence of wrongdoing. He pointed to the initial revelation of the scandal in June 2022, when former State Security Agency Director General Arthur Fraser laid criminal charges against Ramaphosa, Major General Wale Rood, and crime intelligence officials for alleged kidnapping, money laundering, and obstruction of justice. According to Tambo, every state institution that has investigated the matter has failed to hold the president accountable. He described Mchungu's refusal to release the IPID report as an insult to democracy, and said the classification of this report as a top secret is just the latest chapter in a systematic cover-up. Parliament has a duty to oversee the executive, but this government is determined to protect its leader at all costs. The EFF will not stand by while Ramaphosa continues to evade justice. Tambo added that EFF will approach the courts to compel the release of the report. Meanwhile, the Umkhonto we Party echoed at the EFF's concerns and went a step further by demanding Mchungu's immediate removal from the office. Party spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela accused Mchungu of acting in Ramaphosa's interest rather than upholding the rule of law, and said Mchungu's decision to keep this report under wraps has nothing to do with national security and everything to do with shielding his political master. He claimed that Mchungu, a key campaigner for Ramaphosa's CR17 faction, was rewarded with the ministerial position and was now paying back the favor by ensuring the report never reaches the public, and that the minister's intervention makes him an accomplice to the crime, effectively rendering him complicit in the Phala cover-up. The Umkhonto we Party demanded not only the immediate release of the report, but also a full investigation into Mchungu's conduct and criminal charges against those implicated in the Phala saga. Ndlela said, "We will not stop fighting for accountability. We will seek legal advice to ensure those responsible are held to account." The Phala saga has remained a contentious issue since its exposure, raising concerns about transparency, corruption, and the rule of law in South Africa. With both the EFF and MK Party threatening legal action, the battle over the report's secrecy is far from over. Whether the courts will intervene remains to be seen, but the pressure on the government to address the controversy is intensifying. What's the take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.